In this session, we'll start with our drafting projects. In the project 1, I'll show you how to work with different scales, how to generate section views, how to generate detail views in the way is shown here. So primarily fundamentally all these options will look into how to create the section views like this, how to change the scales, how to create a detail view, and project 2 will be assignment for you in the same fashion, how to create the sections and detail views. So project 1 is little bit in depth, so I'll focus in this. So some equivalent project like this I will show you, but here you all the dimensions you have, so you can create it and you can test it. Let me come to this particular point for creating all the details. There is a wheel hub and I'm going to create the drawing, and I'm taking A4 as my sheet. Once you go for A4, with respect to which particular view you are going to generate, that you can create. So right click and you can go to insert the side views, right click and go to insert these bottom views. This if you don't need, you can delete this and go to general, click your first point, select which is front, close, go to this and select the wireframe mode so that you can see all the edges, insert projection views, and you can have the bottom views also. So directly you can double click a particular view and you can go to sections and you can generate a 2D sections and you can add it and you can have your cross section. Once you go for apply, you can cut it and you can see it. So how I have generated this? This fundamentally starts from the 3D. If you go to the 3D view, here you have the view manager. Inside view manager you have cross section. Once you go to new, a new cross section will be generated. You have gone to offset, done, you select the required plane, go to OK, default, and here you can draw the cross section which you want to cut. Let us say this I need to cut with the proper angles, whatever the angles you need, go for accept, and now if you double click this section is generated here. This is what we have generated here, and if you double click this particular views and you go to section, go to 2D section, go to add, here you have all these views which directly you can see as a cross sections here, and I will hide this, and if you can double click and you can change all the hatch properties as well. Double click this will come, go to spacing, I will go for half for increasing this, and you can have a detailed view. So directly go to detailed and you can select your locus point with respect to which you are going to generate and you can place it wherever you need. This is the detailed view of this particular section. So in this way you can work on your projects and you can generate all the required important parts, and in this way you can work on this particular project. This component already you have developed in your earlier sessions, which no need to create it again. So you can create your hub sections like this, and all the orthogonal views you place and you create the final views. Thank you.